Hello, this is set 28 Max Paper 1. Okay, hope that you have been doing your work diligently. Keep it up, there's only 2 more days. Okay, so in 587682, the value of the digit 8 in the 10,000, so 80,000, is how many times the value of digit 8 in the tens place, which is 80. Okay, so we can cancel, and that will give us actually 1000. So question 1 very simple, your answer is 3. Okay, question 2, using we do the bracket first using the rule, so it's 40 divided by 12 minus 8 is actually 4 times 2. Okay, left hand side first, 40 divided by 4 is 10 times 2, 20. So question 2, your answer is 4. How many 8s are there? 8s is actually just 1 over 8. So 5 3 over 4 is the same as 5 6 over 8. Okay, we change it to improper fraction. 5 times 8 is 40, 46 over 8. This is the same as 46 times 1 over 8. So there's 46 of it. Question 3, your answer is 4. Okay, move on to question 4. The parameter of a square tile is 4 over 7. So a square, all sides are equal. So if the parameter is 4 over 7, so this must be 1 over 7. Here must be 1 over 7 too. All the sides must be 1 over 7. Find the length of each side of the thing in meters. So answer is 1 over 7. Question 4, your answer is 3. Question 5, find the area of the unshaded triangle in the given rectangle. Okay, so we notice that the base is actually 4 and that the height is actually here, joined by a right angle. Okay, so half times base times height equals to half times my base is 3, my height is 16, equals to, okay, cancel away 8, 16, 24. So question 5, the answer is 1, 24. Okay, we move on to question 6. A bag of marbles is divided into 2 packets in the ratio 2:7. If the smaller pack is 300 gram, what is the mass of the bigger pack? So you have 2:7. Okay, so the smaller one is actually 300 gram. Okay, so we know that 2 units give me 300 gram. 1 unit is 150 gram. So 7 unit, okay, will be 150 times 7. 7 times 5 is 35. 1050. Okay, so answer is 3. Question 6. Our answer is 3. Next, question 7. 4.8 divided by 200 is the same as 4.8 divided by 2 divided by 100. 4.8 divided by 2, you get 2.4 divided by 100. Okay, remember 2.4, when you do division it becomes smaller. There is 2 zeros, so 1, 2. So the final answer is 0.024. Okay, final answer 0.024. Question 7, answer is 2. Okay, next we go to question 8. The total mass of 3 parcels is 4.78. The first parcel weighs 950 grams, while the second parcel weighs 2 kg and 40 grams. What is the mass of the third parcel? Okay, so we take 4.78 kg. This is actually 4,780 grams. So 4780 gram minus away 950 grams minus away, okay, 2 kg and 40 gram. 1 kg is 1000, 2 kg is 2000, so this 2040 gram. Okay, your final answer, so you have 4780. We minus away 950 first, 0. 8 minus 5 is 3. 47 minus 9 is cancel. 3830 must minus another 2040, 0. second, 7, 1790 gram. Okay, 1790 gram is the same as 1.79 kg. So question 8, your answer is 2. Okay, question 9. In an art competition, 5/8 of the participants were girls. What percentage were boys? So if 5/8 were girls, 1 minus 5/8 equals to 3/8. 3/8 must be boys. Okay, so 3/8, how do we become over 100? Okay, so remember 1/8 is 0.125, so 3/8 is actually 0.375, which means it's 37.5. Answer is 1. Question 9, answer is 1. Okay, please remember 1/8 equals to 0.125. Okay, you will need it in exam. They always test you 5/8, 3/8. Okay, we move on to question 10. 1/20 of a box of pens are red, 3/10 are blue, and 1/5 are green. The rest are black. What percentage is black? So you have one box of pen. You minus 1/20. You minus 3/10. You minus 1/5, and the rest are actually black. Okay, so we actually can change them. 1 whole is actually 20/20 minus 1/20. 3/10 is actually 6/20. 1/5 we can times 4. Times 4, we will get 4/20. So 20 minus 1, 19. 19 minus 6, 13. 13 minus 4, 9. So we have 9/20. 9/20, okay, we make it to a 100. So we times 5. Times 5, we have 45/100, and that's 45%. So question 10, your answer is actually 2, 45%. Question 11, Shantana has an equal number of 10-cent and 50-cent coins. If the total value of the coin is $54, what is the total number? Okay, they have an equal number of 10-cent and 50-cent coins. This means that if I have 10 10-cent coins, I will have 10 50-cent coins. So in every set, there is one 10-cent coin and one 50-cent, and the value is actually 60 cents. Alright, so if the total value is $54, so we take 54 divided by 60 cents. Okay, so $54 is actually 5,400 cents. We divide it by 60 cents. We can cancel 1 0. So 6 times 6 is 36. 36, 42, 48, 54. 9 minus 54, 0, 0, 0. So I have 90 sets. So I have 90 sets of 10-cent and 50-cent coins. So 90 times 2, I will have 180 coins. So question 11 answer is 2. Now we look at question 12. Mrs. Lim baked some muffins for a party. The children ate 2/3 of the muffins. The adult ate 27 muffins. And she packed the remaining muffins equally into 2 containers. If there was 36 muffins in each container, find the number of muffins. Okay, so there's muffins. Alright, so the children actually eat 2/3. Okay, so the children, which means the adult must eat 1/3 of the muffins. Okay, you know that the adults ate 27, and the remaining muffins, there's 2 containers of 36 each. So there's 2 containers, there's 36 in one container, there's 36 in another container, plus, okay, the adults ate 27. Okay, so you do 36 and 36. Okay, you add them up. 72, 72 and 27. Okay, there's 99 muffins for the adult. So in this adults here, there's 99. So how many muffins did she bake here? So 1/3 will give me 99. 3/3 will be 99 times 3 will be 297. Okay, so question 12, your answer is 1. Okay, question 12, answer is 1. Okay, we move on now to question 13. The figure below consists of 2 squares. Area of ABCG, CDEF are 64 and 16. Okay, so 64 and 16, okay, meaning that this must be 8, this must be 8, because 8 times 8 gives 64, and that 16 here must be 4, and here must also be 4. Alright, here is also 4, because you could see that okay, from here to here is actually 4. If GF equals to FC, find the area of the shaded. Okay, so we have two triangles, triangle 1, triangle 2. Okay, for triangular 1, we have half times base times height. Alright, cancel, 2, answer is 8. For triangle 2, we have half times base, which is 4, times height is 8. Cancel, 2, 16. So 16 plus 8, 24. So question 13, our answer is actually 1. Question 14. Crystal spent 40% of her money on a bicycle and 30% of it on a roller coaster, a roller skate. If she had $120 left, how much money she has at first? So she got 100% at first. She spent 40% on a bicycle. She spent 30% on a roller skate. Okay, so 100 minus 40 minus 30, she left with 30%. So if 30% give us $120, 10% would actually be $40. 100% would mean she actually had $400 at first. So question 14, answer is 4. Okay, we move on to question 15. Melvin spent 30% of his salary on food and 40% of the remainder on transport. Then he saved. What percentage did he save? Okay, when you see the word remainder, you know that we can actually use the branch method. Okay, so he has actually salary. He spent 30% of it on food. Okay, if 30% is on food, he must have 70% of the remainder. Alright, and 40% of the remainder on transport. So he spent 40% of remainder on transport, and he must have left with 60%. Okay, and this is what he saved. So you're actually supposed to find this box here. Alright, okay, 70% is actually 7 over 10, while 60% is actually 6 over 10. So with that, okay, this box will be 7 over 10 times 6 over 10 will actually give me this box. So you will actually have 42 over 100, and 42 over 100 is actually 42%. So question 15, our answer is option 2. Okay, we move on now to question 16. The cost of 4 oranges is $2.20. So 4 oranges is actually $2.20. 2 oranges will be half of it, which is $1.10. 6 oranges becomes 3, will be $3.30. So your first answer is $3.30. Question 17. What is the 57 letter? Okay, you find out that A, B, C, D, E. Okay, this is one group. A, B, C, D, E. That's another group. So altogether we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters. So you take 57 divided by 5. 1 minus 5. 0. You bring down 7. 1. Okay, so you have remainder 2. Okay, so you'll be 5 sets, and then first place, second place, B. So 17, your answer is B. Now we go to question 18 now. Bernard, Charles and Daniel shared a sum of money. Bernard received 4 over 7 of the total amount. The rest was shared equally between Charles and Daniel. What fraction? So we have 1 whole minus 4 over 7, that will give me 3 over 7. This amount is shared equally, so it's divided by 2. Same as 3 over 7 times half. So there we have 3 over 14. So question 18, answer is 3 over 14. Okay, we move on to question 19. Subtract 2/3 from 5/9 and express your answer as an improper fraction, meaning the top number is bigger than the bottom number, the numerator is bigger than the denominator. Alright, so we have 5, 2/9 minus 2, 2/3. Okay, we can change both to improper first. 5 times 9 is 45 plus 2, 47/9. Okay, 2 2/3 is actually the same as 2 times 3, 6/9. So changing that into improper fraction, 2 times 9 is 18. 18 plus 6 is 24/9. Okay, so 47 minus 24, we get 23/9, and that's an proper fraction already, so your answer is 23/9. Okay, we go to question 20 now. 2/3 of Jerome marbles is 3/4 of Kenny, so we have Jerome, Kenny, so this is 2/3, 3/4. Which, remember, when we do this type of questions, we must make the numerator the same. So 2 times 3 is 6, so times 3 times 3, so that will get 6/9, or this will be times 2 times 2, 6/8. This means that Jerome has 9 units while Kenny has 8 units. What is the ratio of K is to J? So 8 is to 9. Answer 8 is to 9. Okay, question 21. Three numbers are in the ratio 3, 7 is to 15. If the difference between the second biggest number, okay, that will be 7, and the smallest number is 48. So 7 minus 3, 4. So 4 units give us 48. 1 unit is actually 12. What is the value of the biggest number? Biggest number is 15 units, so that is actually 12 times 15. Okay, and that will give us 180. Question 21, answer is 180. Okay, we move on to question 22. A tray containing 20 identical packs of milk weighs 7.6. If the empty tray weighs 160 grams, find the mass of one packet of milk. Okay, so first of all, 7.6 kg, okay, is the same as 7.600 kg, 7,600 grams. So 7,600 grams minus the weight 160 for the tray, that will give us 7,440 grams. Altogether there's 20 packets, so 7,440 divided by 20 equals, okay, I can cancel the 0, so that will be 744 divided by 2. Answer is 372. So our answer for question 22 is 372 grams. Okay, so 0.2 times 10, this answer is actually just simply 2. So what times 200 will actually give me 2. So this box here is actually 2 over 200, 1 over 100, 0.01. So our answer for question 23 is 0.01. Okay, in a school of 2,400 pupils, 1,440 wear spectacles. What percentage do not wear? So we have 2,400 students. We take away 1,040 that wear spectacles. We'll have 960 who do not wear the spectacles. So 960 over 2,400 people times 100%. Cancel, cancelling. So we have 960 divided by 24. Answer is 40. So we have a total of 40% students who do not wear spectacles. Question 25. Mrs. Tan bought some flour. She used 30% of the flour to bake a cake and had 1,400 grams left. How much flour did she have at first? Okay, so she has 100%. She minus 30% that she used. She left with 70%. So 70% give us 1400 gram. 10% is actually 200 gram. Okay, so 100% will give us 2000 gram. So question 25, your answer is 2000. Okay, question 26. So fan poles are placed around a rectangular field of 108. Okay, so you have a rectangular field like this. Right, please remember that there's 4 poles that's at the corner here. Okay, so it's 100. We divided by 10 is actually 10 poles. But because there's already 1 at the corner, so there's only 9 poles here. 9 here. In between them, there are 9. And same thing, we have 80 divided by 10, which is 8. In between here, we have 7 and 7. So altogether, the total number of poles we have is 9 plus 7 plus 9 plus 7. Not forgetting our 4 lamp posts at the corner. So altogether, there are 36 lamp posts. So question 26, answer is 36. Question 27. In the figure below, triangular BDC is 1/3 the area of triangle ABC. AE equals to 24 cm and BC equals to 15. What is the area of the shaded part? Alright. Okay, so the whole triangle ABC will be half times base, which is 15, times height, which is 24. Okay, and that will give us times 24 times 15 times 24, 180. They already say that BDC is 1/3, which means if this is 1/3, here must be 2/3. So we are actually finding out what is 2/3 of 180 equals to 2/3 times 180. So our final answer is 120. So question 27, our answer is 120. Okay, we move on to question 28. The ratio of the number of bits in container A to number of bits in container B is 8:9. So A is to B, 8:9. There will be the same number of bits in each container if 15 bits are transferred from B to A. Okay, this is the same as 16 times 2 is to 18, right? And eventually they will have 17:17 equal same number of bits if 15 bits are transferred from B to A. So at first there is 18 units in B, it became 17. So this shows that this 1 unit is actually 15 bits. So how many bits are there in container A? Container having 16 units, so it will be 16 units. 15 times 16. Answer will be 240. So question 28, your answer is 240. Question 29. Jim bought 5 identical toys at $21.25. He then sold them and earned $2.35 for each toy. At what price did he sell the toys? Okay, so there's $21.25 in total. We divided by 5. Okay, so he bought each toy at $4.25. He earned $2.35 for every toy, which means he bought this at this amount and he earned $2.35. Which means each toy he actually sold for $6.60. Okay, question 30, the last question for paper 1. At a Great Singapore Sale, Mr. Wong paid $148 for a watch sold at 20% discount. How much was the discount? Okay, so alright, the watch is 100%, there was a 20% discount, meaning that Mr. Wong paid 80% for the watch. So if 80% is actually 148. I want 20% the discount price. We divide by 4. 148 divided by 4, you'll get 37. So the discount is actually $37. This is the end of set 28 Max Paper 1.